Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will show the different dimension options LusoCAD offers to denotate dimensions in your project, for ease of reading. There are many different dimensions in LusoCAD. They are all accessible by the annotation ribbon or by command shortcuts. The first one you will encounter is the linear dimension. This is the best option when we want to measure straight lines like the sides of this square. Just click the start and end point of the line we want to measure and a dimension will appear. Use your mouse to position it in the drawing. The next dimension is align. This one is for measuring diagonal dimensions, like the diagonal of the same square. After that we have angle, which we can use to get the angle between these two lines. To use it, we select both lines. Arc length will let us annotate the length of any arc. Just click it and position the annotation. Radius and diameter can show us each value by just clicking the circle and using the mouse to organize the annotations. Ordinate will show us in the model view the precise coordinates of a point. You will have to use this one twice to get both x and y axis values. Lastly, jogged will let us get the radius of a circle but using a jogged line. This is for times when there are many annotations that might block the way of the circle, so the value is displayed outside of the circle for less visual clutter. This was everything for now regarding the dimension tool in LusoCAD. Keep watching the course to get an even deeper understanding of the program and all its tools.